Many page builders have a map element, but I really love the simplicity of the map element in Brizy. And the great thing about the map element, it's available in all versions of Brizy. WordPress plugin, Cloud, Free and Pro. Here already I have a block which is utilizing the map element. Let's bring in our own map element and build it from scratch, and I'll add 2 columns here. Find the map element over here, click and drag and drop. It will load a default setting, and to change that, simply click on the map, go to the settings of the map and type in an address. London Bridge. In no time, it will find London Bridge and you have a nice display there. Change the zoom setting over here. A lower number zooms out, a higher number zooms in. You can play around with colors here as well for the border, apply a shadow, and even apply a hover effect. Settings allow you to change the size, which you can also do by clicking on it and then dragging the handles. As all elements go within Brizy, when you go into tablet, you have full control over responsiveness, changing it to display properly on the device in the manner you would like it to display. This will not affect the other displays and is sticky based on the settings for the various devices. All image elements, when it comes to the Brizy Pro versions, will also include filters. Make sure that you check out all the videos in this series at learnbrizy.brizy.site. I am JP signing off.